Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we'll be sharing a very important update of Neet 2026 answer key. Physics, chemistry, biology, all sets are solved. So you might be wondering how all sets are solved. So guys, I will be showing you the booklet of code 12. So for your code, whatever you have got, 13, 14 or 15, whatever code you have got, if you see this video, you can answer your you can verify your answers, guys. So I will be telling you how you can verify. Just follow the video. So guys, don't worry, I won't explain each and every question. I will be giving you direct answers, guys. So it will be a very short video, but informative video. You can verify your answers very fast. So just I will give you one example, guys. So example code 12, physics, chemistry, biology is the pattern. So you all know that physics 45 question, chemistry 45 question and biology 90 questions. So in code 12, the first question is physics question. So I will be showing you the question and the correct option also. I will be showing you the options also. You need to see that first question where it is there in your set, in 13 set or 14 set or 15 set, like that. After that, pattern will be remain same, guys. They won't change anything. Just you need to find out what is the where is your question. That first question of 12 set is there, right? In your set, where is that question? You need to find out, guys. So I will be showing you the question paper. Don't worry, I will show you the first question of physics also, chemistry also and biology also, so that you won't mix anything. You can mark the correct answers. So guys, I hope you got a clarity. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. And guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. And guys, we will upload a video on CET document verification also, how to do the option entry, everything. So guys, subscribe our channel, and if you want any help, you can comment in the comment box. We will try to help, guys. So let us start our video. And guys, now I will be showing you the question paper. So guys, as you can see, you have seen the, as I told, the test booklet code is 12. So if you have got 12 code, then you can follow the same questions and you can just mark your answers. If you have got the other code, don't worry, I will tell you how you can mark the correct answers if you have got any other code also. So let us go to the first question. So as I said, the first question is physics question here. So 100 ton closely wound circular coil of radius. So this question in your code, it can be 5th question or 10th question or 15, 20, 25, 30. You see where this question is there, guys. After that, questions will be same. You just need to follow where is this question. So second, match list. Then third question, the current in the circuit. So you can see the speed of light in vacuum, the following plot. So the questions pattern will be same. Just you need to find out where this first question is there. So as I said, you need to see in your set, this question can be 25th or 30 or 50. Wherever it can be anywhere, guys. So in first 45 questions of physics, it will be there, guys. So don't worry, they won't mix physics, chemistry, biology. It will be 3 sections only. First it will be physics, or first it will be chemistry or biology, but they won't mix the question. Physics 10 questions, chemistry 10, biology 10. They won't do like that. In 45 questions only, they will change the pattern, guys. So let me show you first directly this chemistry question. So here you can see 13. Let us scroll fast. So guys, don't worry, I will be sharing you direct answers. It won't take much time. Just I want to show you properly question, otherwise you will mix up everything and you will verify wrong answers. So the 46th question of chemistry is match list 1 and list 2. So you can see, so this question is the first question of chemistry, and this is the 46th question in the text booklet code 12. So it can be your 50th question or first question itself. Section can be first chemistry also. So just you need to see where this question is there in your booklet. So 47th question, the major product Z formed in the following sequence relation. Then 48th question in a qualitative analysis. Then fifth, again 49th, when 1 dm cube of carbon dioxide gas is passed over hot cake, 50. So like this. So as I told in for physics, same you need to follow for chemistry. Just you see where these questions are, guys. You can pause the video and you can see the questions where it is. After that, it will be same only, guys. So let me show you fast biology questions. So let me scroll down. Hmm. So as I told, 45 physics, 45 chemistry, and from 91 it will be biology. Started 91. The evil coordinate of biodiversity loss include which of the following? So you can see this question can be your first question also, guys. This question can be of 95, 100, 120 like that. So just you need to see where this question are there, guys. So just you need to follow this, and pattern will be same. I will be showing you no direct answers, so I hope you got a clarity how you can verify your answers. So let me show you the last question also, 180 question. Just see the questions properly and mark your answers, guys. So don't worry, I won't waste your time. I will directly show you the correct answers, guys. So the last question is 180. Choose the correct statement regarding population interaction between two species. So if you have got code 12, no need to worry. You can just mark the answers what I will show now. If you have got any other code, follow what I have told. So I hope you got a clarity. So let me show you direct answers, guys, now. So guys, here the answers. So physics wala is the very good platform for Neet, CET and all. So many people don't know how to download these answers, and also just we are helping you to get the answers. So as you can see here, code 12 answers, physics, chemistry, biology, everything they have given from question number 1 to question number 80. So just pause the video and you can see the answer. So guys, I will show you for physics 1 to see they have given the correct option. For question number 1 the correct option is 1, for a question number 2 the correct option is 1, like that they have given. So they have given till 45 also. So they have, see clearly they have shown 3 section: physics, chemistry, biology. So I will show you for physics 45 also are there here. So 45 also, scroll down, 45 also I will show you. You can pause the video and you can take the screenshot, guys. Then again now chemistry. So 46 option 4, see here 55, 60, 68, 74. Slowly I'm going, you guys. I know I need to scroll down, so that's why 90 also is there. Now biology 91, uh, 9 so see you can pause the video and you can mark the answers. So here again 91, 132, 135, and let me come to 136th question. So 136 and 159, 168, 169, 178, 180. So I hope you might have marked the correct answers. So you can take the screenshot if you want, and still if you can't able to mark the correct answer of any question, you can comment in the comment box. I will try to give you the correct answer, and if you want a PDF also, you can comment in the comment box. I will give you, guys. So this is all about our today's video, guys. I hope this video didn't went lengthy, and you might have got a very good score. So congratulations to the people those who have got a good score, and hope you will get a good rank. And as I said earlier, we will make a video on CET document verification, option entry, and any doubt if you have related to CET, we'll upload each and every video, guys. So this year we have missed to make a video on answer key, but remaining other things we'll cover, you guys. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned.